Hey guys, it's Ambrose. Welcome to your first brotorial on learning how to program. Today we'll be getting everything set up and I'll teach you how to write your very own Hello World program in Java. So before we get started, there's two things that we're going to need to download, Eclipse and the JDK. So Eclipse is where we're going to be writing our code and making our programs. And then the JDK is what's going to allow us to actually run our programs from Eclipse. So if you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the download page for Eclipse. And what you want to download is the Eclipse Standard 4.3.2, which is the newest version that's out as of now. And go ahead and click on either the 32-bit or the 64-bit link. And then in order to download Eclipse, go ahead and click on the link that's right here. So when you do that, it'll start downloading automatically for you. And while that's downloading for you, go ahead and click on the second link and you'll be taken to the Oracle page right here. And in order to download the JDK, all you need to do is click the Accept License Agreement right here and click on whichever version you need. So the 32-bit version of Windows is the second one from the bottom. The 64-bit version is the last one. So after that's done downloading, in your downloads folder, you should see something like this. In order to install the JDK, all you need to do is just double click on the exe and just go through all the on-screen instructions. And in order to use Eclipse, all you need to do is unzip it somewhere. So I happen to have unzipped it in its own folder. So when you unzip it, it should look something like this. In order to run Eclipse, all we need to do now is just double click the exe right here. And if this is the first time actually opening it for you, then it's going to ask you about your workspaces and where you want to save your workspace. So all a workspace is just a folder that you want to save all your projects to that you create inside of Eclipse. For me, I'm going to check this checkbox right here that's saying that this is my default workspace and I don't want it to ask it again where my workspace is. So I'm going to hit OK, and now it's going to open Eclipse, and when Eclipse opens, you're going to be met with a nice welcome screen. So I'll only maximize the window and get rid of the welcome screen. So now once you exit out of the welcome screen, then you're going to be met with something that looks like this. Now in order to actually start programming, all we need to do is right click, hit new, hit Java project, and let's name it something like Hello World, and just hit finish. And then now what we're going to do is click on this expander arrow right here, right click on the SRC folder, and go down and select new class, and let's name it something Hello World. And just a note that you can't use spaces or anything in here. In some later videos, we're actually going to go into more detail about everything that you're seeing here. But for now, just follow what I'm doing. And let's make a public static void. We're going to call it main. And we're going to pass in void main. And then we want to do string args. And now let's put in our braces. So now once we do this, now we can write system.out.println. Printline. And we can say hello world. So this is how you write hello world and print it out to the console in Java. A lot of this stuff is probably just kind of blowing you away right now, but just follow what I did, and in later videos we're going to get more in depth about what all of these words actually mean and what exactly is going on here. So now that you have this written out, in order to run it, all you need to do is click on this button right here and run. And this window is going to pop up asking you to save your resources. So go ahead and check this box that says always save before launching, and then hit OK. And there you go. Here's Hello World in the console. You are now officially a programmer. We'll work on it. But for now, here's Hello World, and you just written your own Java program. So if there's any questions or comments or anything like that, go ahead and leave a comment below the video, or you can always email us at brotorials@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So thanks for watching, guys.